Hakane kasi lay don lang ru Chief Secretary ke Jylla ba PBO warjri ki officer ke deketanat bat kiwe. Yakane ke program la pinbiang ikada Meghalaya Diversity Board bat ke Department of Forest and Environment jong ke sarkar Jylla. Yak International Day for Biological Diversity la Rakhie manlau snem bat mentak snem la Rakhie habro ki district jong ke Jylla ban pensku thu hapreng ki samla puli bat ki paiba halo ke jing don kam ban pene pensa ya ke mai mariang hakani ke Jylla. Nakaliang Menteri hak jing keren ke jong ulapan pau ya ke jing kemen halo ke jing isim benta shirhem jong samla puli hak te ke jing Rakhie ulah kenturu ye samla puli ban sim benta ke bakar pang ban nyada ban pene pensa ya ke mariang haba penrap lang nakaliang Chief Secretary ke Jylla uba PBO warjri ulong bakalong ke ba pencelur badyo mensi banyu ya ke jing sim benta shirhem jong samla puli bat ki pait ba daga thong man pene bat ban sumar ya ke mai mariang.
As we all know that biodiversity is a major subject where each and every country talks about. I'm sure our students and our friends who are here today, through different presentations made by our officers, it enlightened all of us here. How do we further strengthen and preserve the biodiversity deposit that we have in our state? Nowadays, your parents, your elders, in your house, in your sweet home, do you know what their concern is about? The security of yours. And nowadays, the subject of security is the main concern, be it at home, be it in the locality, be it in the district, in the state, in the nation. We are all talking about security.